This is the after party of my previous vlog. That's the Edo wedding with an Oyibo vibe. Okay, so this is just the fireman making his way into the wedding party. He opened the floor for the wedding party to begin, and after his little performance comes the Caribbean girls. That's the girls that made the party to start in a grand style. So they just did their little fire entrance with this kind of carnival kind of vibe, and this was just them performing after their little DM or a call away from you. Okay, so do well to patronize us. This is a Port Harcourt wedding. Yes, Port Harcourt will do our things also in the grand style. Okay, this was just the highlights of the day. So sorry that I kept this for so long, but you all should watch, enjoy, and know what it feels like. This was just a movie. It was a movie. We partied like till everybody drops. The drinks were enough. Everything was just good. People ate to it. They were filled and they drank too. You know now. I don't need to spill that here. So this is the bride and the groom making their way into the wedding party, if you know what that means. And that is a sparkling wine from yours truly, only with the edge. Best in everything. Service top notch, plan top notch, affordability top notch, originality on point, everything. Finger, this is me now vibing. Why won't I take a shot from my product? Oh mono, I will do it. You can imagine, baby girl was just babying, so just too well to relax, enjoy, and while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and see them now. Everybody was just giving it to us. See all these one. They were high on something, if you know what that means. So do well to patronize us at Woody Edge, Woody_Edge on Instagram. Okay. I will see you guys in my next video. Just watch. It's just few minutes, but you smile while watching it. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe like I said earlier. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.